Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to do some appetizers today because I haven't done that yet on my channel, and I wanted to make this little fun video, basically just thanking all the people that have given me shout outs or tweets or shares, and it really means a lot to me. So I just wanted to thank you all for doing that for me. So I wanted to give you guys a shout out back just to say thank you. I appreciate it. Make sure to go check out these channels, guys. They're awesome. I'm going to go ahead and put their links in my description box as well. So today we're going to do some bacon wrapped chicken bites. And here's the ingredients that you're going to need for this. You're going to need 1 pound of boneless skinless chicken. You can use breasts or tenders. I'm using tenders. You're going to need 1 package of sliced bacon. I'm using Hickory Smoked. You're going to need 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of chili powder. And you're going to need a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You're also going to need some toothpicks that I have over there, and then just a good baking tray, probably some foil, and that's it, guys. That's all you're going to need to make these delicious bacon wrapped chicken bites. So let's have some fun and start cooking. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start cutting up our meat and getting that all ready, and then over here I have my other stuff ready to go ahead and put this together. So with the bacon, we're going to just cut it twice so that it makes 3 sections. So you're just going to take it and kind of just do it evenly so that it makes even sections. So that's 1. That's 2, 3. And then we'll put that aside. And then we'll go ahead and work on our chicken. So I have my chicken here that's been washed and dried. And then I have my bowl over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut into probably about inch and a half size pieces. And if it's a little smaller, like the tails, it's fine. So about like that. And we're just going to put that in the bowl. So we're just going to cut these inch and a half pieces. Now if you want, you could always double or triple the recipe. Depending on how many people you are making this appetizer for. And this was a little over a pound. Alright, that looks great. I am going to go wash and sanitize and get our next step going. So we'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so the next step is to take a piece of chicken and a piece of bacon. And we're going to wrap the chicken with the bacon. Like that. And then we're going to take a toothpick. And don't worry, I'm going to be throwing these toothpicks out when I'm done putting my hands in there from the chicken. So, and you're just going to go ahead and secure it like this. And just we'll put it in a bowl for now, set aside. I'm going to do a couple more for you guys. So again, you're going to take a piece of chicken, your bacon, wrap it, take a toothpick, and secure it. So take the chicken and the bacon, wrap it, take a toothpick, and secure it. And that's it, guys. So I'm going to continue doing this step, and we'll be back as soon as I'm done wrapping the chicken with the bacon. Okay, so now that everything's cleaned up, I have my dish of my bacon wrapped chicken, and then I have my ingredients to make the mix, the season mix. Alright, so we're going to put the brown sugar, our 4 tablespoons of chili powder, and then the 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we're just going to go ahead and give this a good mix, because this is going to be the dredge that we're going to go ahead and put the chicken bites in. And then what I have over here is a pan that I've lined with foil and then generously sprayed with some spray pan so it does not stick when we cook it in the oven. I'm going to go get a fork. This way I could crush the big pieces of sugar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mix this really well to get this good and incorporated, and I'll be back as soon as I'm done mixing it. Alright guys, that looks good enough. Got that good and incorporated. What we'll do now is we're going to take each chicken and we're going to go ahead and dredge it in this delicious mixture. And just kind of like smush it down, pat it down so it gets nice and coated. And then we're going to put it on the pan over here. Again, take it and just smash it down. Be careful with the toothpicks, you don't smash your hand. We want to get it really nice and coated with the brown sugar mix. Like that. And I'm going to go ahead and continue doing mine, and we will be back as soon as I'm done doing this. So we'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so here's my chicken bites all done. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to go ahead and place this in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. And like I always say, watch your oven. Everybody's oven is different, and we'll go ahead and check it at about the 30-minute mark and see how they're looking. And what we want is obviously the chicken to be cooked and the bacon to be a nice crispy golden brown. So we'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so mine was in the oven for exactly 30 minutes, and what I did was I just went ahead and rotated the whole pan so that it was even cooking. And so what I'm going to do, they look delicious, so I'm just going to take my thermometer and I'm going to take a piece of the chicken and I'm just going to see if it is fully cooked inside. And you guys know that chicken should read 165 Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is cooked perfectly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put it under the broiler for 5 minutes just to make the bacon nice and crispy, and then we'll be ready to serve this. And look how delicious these look. It smells so good in here, guys. I wish you could smell this. These are so good. I really hope you guys give these a try. And what I do is I serve them with some ranch dressing or dip. It's like a little sweet, a little spicy, very little, just from the cayenne, but it's absolutely delicious. So I'm going to continue putting these in the bowl, and we'll be back in a minute to check them out. Okay guys, so here you have it, my bacon wrapped chicken bites. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. If you guys want to see more of these recipes, make sure to subscribe as well as turning your post notifications on so you guys don't miss any of my videos. Enjoy, guys.